Okay, I know you're looking at me. You're like, Ray, that's not 5,000 tokens. But notice this. I never specified. I'm including reselling. There will be more than 5,000 tokens spent in this video. We're getting this chroma one way or the other. Even if it takes us all December. We're getting this chroma no matter what. It's happening. I'm definitely gonna have to speed this up. I'll see you when I've spent all my tokens. Not one single legendary. Not one. Not one. I spent over 3,500 and freaking tokens and nothing. Nothing. Look, this is how much I had. And we're doing Blizzard pack. Calculate. Oh. If we're simulating this, let's just simulate this real quick. That's what I did. That's what happened. Let's see if that's exactly what happened. Nope, that's not what happened. But no freaking... I'm mad. I cannot believe that just happened. No Santa. Not one. Not one. Not even a chroma. Oh, obviously we're not going to get the chroma, but literally. Not one. I don't understand it. Did I just... Okay. We're reselling. This is not going to turn out well. I will see you soon because we're not going to have this. We're just not going to do... No. If Blooket wants to play games with us, alright. I want revenge. See you after when I spent all my tokens. Bye. I quit.